Arborists and other landscape professionals are often very aware of spring's arrival. Leaves and flowers are emerging from my pear tree, and in that tree, a pair of black-capped chickadees are cleaning out a nest box to build their nest in my backyard. I live in a neighborhood that doesn't have enough trees with cavities for all of the cavity nesting birds that live here. So the day after I put up this nest box, they were already hard at work taking the wood chips out from the bottom. In spring and summer, wildlife are nesting all around our urban forests, and arborists should be aware of the laws and best practices to minimize impacts to wildlife during this time. So join us for in-person workshops in both Northern and Southern California, where we'll be working on getting you all the skills to be a wildlife trained arborist.